Korean cold noodle soup is a beloved dish in our region and a true hit of the summer season. It's a cold, refreshing, and appetizing combination of noodles with different dressings. Let's take a detailed look at how to prepare it. Let's begin with the foundation, the broth. In a pot with 3 liters of water, add 300 grams of meat. Cook over medium heat, allowing the meat to fully release its flavor. Take your time here. The broth should be clear, rich, and aromatic. Once it's ready, let it cool down, then place it in the fridge. It should become light, refreshing, and perfectly chilled. While the broth is cooling, we move on to the aromatic base. Slice 2 onions, 500 grams of bell peppers, 2 tomatoes, 2 chili peppers, and 3 cloves of garlic. Heat 75 milliliters of oil. Start by sautéing the onions until lightly golden, then add tomatoes, garlic, and chili peppers. The aroma begins to build, and this is just the beginning. Season lightly with salt and add the bell peppers. Cook until soft while keeping their juiciness. Now for the spices. Coriander, a touch of sweet paprika, and soy sauce. Mix everything gently and let it rest for about 30 minutes to deepen the flavor. Next comes freshness. Finely slice half a cabbage. Add salt and a bit of sugar to taste. Then garlic, red pepper, coriander, vinegar, a bit of oil, and fresh herbs, cilantro, and dill. Mix thoroughly. The salad should be bright and aromatic. Prepare a separate cucumber salad. Light, crisp, and refreshing. Now, the egg crepes. Using 8 eggs with a pinch of salt and a little oil, cook thin, delicate layers. Once cooled, slice them into fine strips. Soak the Guksu noodles in warm water until ready. They should be soft, yet still have texture. Remove the meat from the broth and slice it into thin strips. Everything is now ready for the final step. Assemble the dish. Place the noodles into a deep bowl. Pour over the chilled broth. Top with meat, sautéed vegetables, fresh salads, and egg crepes. And finally, muri, a refreshing cold broth. In 2 liters of cold water, add salt, sugar, soy sauce, and a bit of vinegar essence. Add thinly sliced cucumbers and tomatoes. The flavor should be perfectly balanced, sweet, sour, and salty. Chill in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours. Every element plays its role. The cold broth refreshes. The meat adds richness. The vegetables bring texture and brightness. Guksu is a perfect balance, especially on a warm day. Try it yourself, and you'll understand why this dish is so loved.